In this economic strain on our county's population and government, even the legal field is affected. Many law firms are being told to cut costs wherever they can in order to save money. The problem with the cuts is where to perform the necessary cut, but still be able to work effectively and efficiently for the client. After all, the client has a right to effective counsel. Many law firms are cutting the legal secretary, assistants, clerks and yes, the paralegal. This has not just affected law firms, but many companies who employ a legal team have also cut the above mentioned. Thus the birth of the freelance virtual paralegal has been recognized. This field is fast becoming a lucrative field and cost-effective for even the solo firm. It is growing so quickly that even the ABA has said yes to legal outsourcing.
The evolution of technology and the internet has made it possible for professionals to work from home in what is considered a virtual office. A virtual paralegal is a highly trained, independently contracted business owner who is not considered an employee of the law office he or she is performing work for, but contracts their work to attorneys and other legal entities. Virtual paralegals are cost-effective since they are only paid for the work they perform. All work is performed virtually by utilizing telephones, fax, email, and other internet-established technology, providing the same support system to a law office as a regular employee would, but at a lower cost to the law office.
We do this by offering expert paralegal services in every area of the law, so you never have to turn a client down, and by increasing your law office productivity. Please note, virtual assistant paralegal cannot provide legal services to individuals. We can only provide paralegal services to attorneys in good standing with the American Bar Association, State Bar Association and Local Bar Association. If you are in need of legal assistance and you are not an attorney, you must seek the advice of an attorney. Please do refrain from mailing the virtual assistant with requests that are not made by a bona fide attorney in good standing as mentioned previously.
Just a few things to note: we offer but not limited to initial investigation and research, filing of petition and complaint, case administration, filing of answer and counterclaim, discovery, motions, hearings, and pre-trial trial preparation, jury research, judgment and appeal, public information searches, legal research, and much more.
Known as independent contract or freelance paralegals, who are hired by lawyers, law firms or in-house legal departments to provide paralegal support services on an as-needed basis, through such services being supplied with the use of technology such as the internet, email, fax and remote access systems.
Benefits of having freelance paralegals: reduce the overhead cost for lawyers and small businesses. No need for training, employee insurance, benefits, superannuation, workers' compensation, taxation, sick leave, personal leave, holiday leave, maternity leave, parental leave, coffee breaks or any other cost incurred by employing full or part-time staff.
Time is at a premium in any business, but this seems particularly true in the small or solo law office. Moreover, particularly in this economy, very small offices are not in a position to add to their payroll by hiring a full-time paralegal to help them bear the load. Increased happiness and job satisfaction. Hiring a virtual paralegal to assist with document management and simple drafting tasks, for example, can free a busy attorney up to perform the substantive research, briefing, and client communications most suited to his or her training and expertise. Increased efficiency. Virtual paralegal services can make a lawyer more efficient. The ability to delegate suitable tasks to his or her paralegal, be it procedural research, drafting of simple pleadings, or assisting with discovery or trial preparation, enables a lawyer to handle a larger client caseload and still assure competent representation of each client.
Increased happiness and job satisfaction. Successful law practice involves a wide spectrum of tasks, from very substantive legal research and analysis, to drafting legal documents, to managing and organizing client and production materials and communicating with clients. Hiring a virtual paralegal to assist with document management and simple drafting tasks, for example, can free a busy attorney up to perform the substantive research, briefing, and client communications most suited to his or her training and expertise. This makes everyone happier. Increased efficiency. Virtual paralegal services can make a lawyer more efficient. The ability to delegate suitable tasks to his or her paralegal, be it procedural research, drafting of simple pleadings, or assisting with discovery or trial preparation, enables a lawyer to handle a larger client caseload and still assure competent representation.
Is a virtual contract freelance paralegal right for you? How do I know if I should hire a virtual paralegal? As a business owner, you most likely take the expense of running your business very seriously. It is not cost-effective for any business to incur unnecessary expenditures. Money saved is money in your pocket. By hiring a paralegal to work in your office, you are adding to your office expense each year. By contracting a virtual contract freelance paralegal to perform the same work will save you thousands on unnecessary expenditures. If saving your business money each year is important to you and your business, and your office has internet access, email, telephone and fax service, then a virtual paralegal is right for you. This does indeed make for happier lawyers and ultimately, happier clients.
Cost comparison. Hiring a virtual paralegal can be much more cost efficient than hiring a full-time, in-house paralegal. A virtual paralegal is only paid for time actually worked. No more paying for downtime or overtime. In addition, the small office saves the benefit costs associated with full-time employees. And finally, because a virtual paralegal works from his or her own office, there are no costs for workspace, supplies or equipment. When lawyers and any staff they do have are freed to perform those tasks they are best at, while a virtual paralegal takes care of all suitable paralegal tasks, the workload is eased for everyone. Moreover, we all know that deadlines loom at times and create mountains of work that must be gotten through, regardless of the limited number of hands on deck or hours in the day. A virtual paralegal can help shoulder the extra work during those crunch times.
Pros and cons. Sense of adventure and excitement. On pay scale possibility of $30 to $100 per hour. On hours. Form relationships with clients. Eliminate middlemen and make all the money. ABA says yes to virtual freelance paralegals. No benefits. Job security. Income security. Pay on taxes on income. Not a 9-to-5 job. May have to reduce vacation times. Clients are your bosses. Financial risk.
ABA says yes to legal outsourcing if they protect confidential information, ensure that service providers are competent and suitably trained and charge reasonable rates for the work they provide, has grown to 60% in the last 3 years, should retain a client's informed consent to the engagement of outsource.
Contracts and agreements. Independent contractor agreement. Confidentiality agreement. Privacy policy agreement. Fee agreement. Form W9. The right freelance paralegal can be an asset to your legal practice, but similar to an in-office paralegal or any partnership, it may take some time to identify and build trust with the right freelance paralegal.
In short, utilizing a freelance paralegal can give you more time to focus on pressing matters, help you manage a heavy caseload, help your regular paralegal manage a heavy caseload, provide you with continuing support during your paralegal's absence, minimize your overhead, improve your practice's profit margin, and reduce your client's legal fees, making everyone happy.
Able to work accurately and effectively. Effective interpersonal customer service and communication skills to interact effectively with all levels of management and regulators. Ability to work independently with hardly any supervision. Able to work in a team if the need arises. Do legal research efficiently and cost effectively. And of course some legal knowledge.
Misconception number 1: virtual paralegals work directly for the public and take business away from law firms. Yes, there are independent paralegals in the marketplace who work directly for the public. However, virtual and freelance paralegals work for attorneys only, and are very careful not to engage in any type of unauthorized practice of law. All of the work I do is supervised by an attorney. VPs take ethics very seriously because their business depends on their reputation in the legal community. Misconception number 2: virtual paralegals are really seeking full-time positions in law firms. VPs are business owners, not temps looking for permanent positions. When a paralegal invests time, money and sweat into starting a freelance business, the goal is to grow that business.
Misconception number 3: virtual paralegals are expensive and will cut into firm profits. VPs can save firms a considerable amount of money. My clients pay only for the time I spend on their projects. Firms save money by not being responsible for my office space, office equipment, vacation time, health insurance and the many other costs of a full-time employee. Misconception number 4: virtual paralegals make law firm paralegals look bad to their employers. Many times, attorneys hire VPs because their paralegals have more work than they can handle, but not enough to justify hiring another full-time employee. By having a VP relieve some of the workload, the permanent paralegals meet their deadlines, complete their projects, and focus on high-priority tasks. They look great to their employers.
Works cited: Formal Opinion 08-451 August 5, 2008. Lawyers' obligations when outsourcing legal and non-legal support services. http://www.sddglobal.com/ABA Ethics Opinion 8-451. PDF retrieved March 25, 2011. Chavez, Cordner A., The Ultimate Virtual Paralegal Guide. Chavez, Cordner, The Attorney's Virtual Paralegal Guide. Chavez Cordner A., Virtual Paralegal Sample Forms and Templates e-Workbook. The Virtual Paralegal Training Center, http://www.virtualparalegaltrainingcenter.com accessed March 1, 2011. VParalegals@inbox.com. Copyright 2010 5 Reasons Law Firms Hire Virtual Paralegals, Drescher Paralegal. http://sddglobal.com/ABA Ethics Opinion 8-451. PDF. Lawyers are free to outsource legal work. Closed Fridays and Sundays. Other days 8 a.m. EST and 10 p.m. EST.